What's something people don't know about Germany's latest move on border control? You need to watch this if you care about EU unity. Germany is tightening its land borders starting September 16th, aiming to curb irregular migration and address security concerns. This decision affects borders with France, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Belgium and Denmark, adding to existing controls with Poland, the Czech Republic, Austria and Switzerland. Interior Minister Nancy Faeser says this move is necessary to tackle potential extremist threats. However, critics argue it's a bid to appease the far-right Alternative for Germany, AfD party, and breaches the EU's free movement rights. The political implications are significant. These new measures could strain Germany's relations with its neighbours and challenge the core principles of the Schengen Agreement. As the EU grapples with this development, questions loom. Will these controls effectively address security issues, or will they undermine the unity of the European Union? Stay informed as we follow this evolving story. Subscribe for more updates on this and other critical global issues.